In 2026, optic nerve atrophy remains one of the most challenging neurological eye conditions to manage. International regenerative research is now exploring new biological pathways to support nerve health. Optic nerve atrophy is not a single disease. It results from glaucoma, ischemic damage, trauma, inflammation, and neurodegenerative disorders. The damage includes loss of retinal ganglion cells, reduced axonal signaling, chronic inflammation, and compromised blood supply. From a regenerative perspective, the key challenge is to protect surviving neurons and improve the biological environment. True nerve regrowth is highly intricate and extends beyond simple cell replacement. International human studies increasingly focus on neuroprotection, immunomodulation, and biological signaling rather than direct nerve replacement. Most studies remain in preclinical and early clinical phases, reflecting cautious optimism rather than proven curative solutions. Mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, are widely studied for their ability to secrete beneficial biological molecules. They help modulate immune responses, release neurotrophic factors, and support survival pathways. Different stem cell types show varying levels of clinical relevance. MSCs are most studied for safety and support. Neural stem cells remain largely experimental, while induced pluripotent stem cells are mainly confined to laboratory research due to safety concerns. Current regenerative strategies focus on stabilization and neuroprotection, slowing disease progression, rather than reversing vision loss or promising restoration. Professional consultation ensures that your condition is evaluated within verified scientific and clinical parameters. At Stem Cell Care India, we provide ethical, structured consultations to help you understand the science behind your recovery options. Contact us to learn more.